I've got like 6 different things I want Kilo to work on right now. Problem is, if I just keep opening new tabs, agents are gonna just step over each other. They're gonna overwrite the same files and get confused about context, and I'll spend more time cleaning up merge conflicts than actually shipping code. Agent Manager fixes this. Let me show you. You can open it using the multi-agent button here. The Agent Manager gives you a full screen, clean layout. On the left, I can see my sections, to do, doing, and done. And in each section, I've got agent cards. Each card is its own Git work tree, so they're completely isolated. The agent in refactor off can't touch all the files in update docs. Let's add a new one. I can click new work tree and then just write the prompt. Implement Stripe checkout with webhook verification. I'll pick Claude Sonnet and do it in code mode and hit create. Kilo is going to spin up that new work tree, initialize the agent, start working. I can see the status right on the card as it's reading the code base, planning, and writing files. While that runs, I actually want to compare approaches. I'm going to click new work tree again, but this time configure it and use the same prompt, but select 2 different models, Opus from Claude and GPT-5.5. I hit create. Now I've got 2 cards side by side under the Add Stripe billing, both working on the same prompts, but with different models. They can't see each other, they're on separate work trees, but I can watch the status indicators working in parallel. That first one finishes. I click Review Changes. I can see a full diff side by side with the syntax highlighting. I can see exactly what files are changed and what the agent did. This looks pretty good, but I like the Claude one better. I go back to the Claude work tree and click Open in VS Code. That opens the work tree as a full folder in a new window. So I've got my entire IDE, IntelliSense, debugger, terminal, everything. I can run the tests, I can tweak the code myself, and I can commit it when I'm ready. That's the great thing about having Agent Manager inside VS Code instead of some separate app. You're never stuck in just a chat dashboard. When you need the full power of the editor, it's one click and you're right there. Let's jump back into Agent Manager. Let's say the update docs agent hit an error. I can click on it and open the built-in terminal. And it's already changed into the right directory for this work tree. I can run commands, see a failure, fix the path, fix the configuration myself, and the agent can pick up where it left off. I don't need to context switch to a different terminal app or try to figure out which directory it's in. Then when I'm happy, I can drag the Add Stripe billing card from doing to done, this board updates, and I can still have other agents running in parallel across different work trees, none of them interfering with each other. When that work's ready, I can merge it. I can actually see the status of the pull request right in Agent Manager. That's Agent Manager. Multiple agents, isolated work trees, parallel execution, and you're already in VS Code when you need the full editor.